Have you ever noticed YouTube channels where every single video pulls in millions of views? And here's the surprising part. One new channel uploaded just 44 videos and already crossed 44,000 subscribers. If you want to create the exact same kind of high quality 2D animation stories, this video is for you. But before that, watch this clip I made in just 20 minutes.
Where is it? Where is it?
Tom, what's wrong? You're white as flour.
The recipe book, Lucy. My grandmother's recipe book. It's gone.
Gone? Did you check under the counter again?
I checked everywhere. The shelf, the drawer, even the oven cabinet. It's not here.
Maybe you moved it without realizing. You've been so stressed about the festival.
I didn't move it! That book never leaves this bakery. Never!
Okay, let's think. Who was in here last night?
Just me and Sam.
If that clip just convinced you, this is worth learning. Do me one favor. Before we go further, hit that subscribe button and tap like right now. In this video, I will walk you through step by step how a few AI tools can help you create a unique story, generate 100% consistent characters, build stunning 2D visuals, add a natural voice narration, and make a professional long-form 2D animation video. And the best part, you can do this entire process from your phone or laptop. I won't take much of your time, just a few minutes to teach you the whole process, so don't skip anything. I have made a master prompt PDF that will generate images for you. You will not even need to design anything yourself, just generate the video. That's really all you have to do. Copy the entire prompt. After that, came to Google and search for Claude and go to its website. Once you are there, an interface like this will open. Paste the prompt into the text box and hit the arrow button. After a few seconds, Claude will give you 20 story titles and ask you a question like which topic you had preferred, or it will ask you to paste your own idea. I have already picked a title. You can use whichever title you like. After that, we will move to text, type the number and hit send. This will give us the full story. I have read through it once. You should read your story too. If you are still not satisfied, you can ask Claude to change it. Now we need consistent characters throughout the story. For that, we will type yes in the text box, which will generate all characters along with their environment scene. Now we have the character prompts along with the background scene prompts. So we will simply copy the character prompt first and head over to Google Chrome. Search for Flow AI and go to its website. Log in with any Google account. People might think this isn't free. Don't worry. I will also show you how to generate unlimited videos later. Click on New Project. Here you will see an option Character. Click New Character, then paste the prompt in the text box. Model, keep it set to Nano Banana or whichever it is. Click the arrow and let it generate. While the first character is generating, we will go back to Claude and copy the second prompt. Then head back to Flow AI. Look, our first character sheet has already been generated. So we will click Done, then click New Character, paste the second prompt and hit Send. We will repeat this back and forth. Copy the third prompt from Claude, paste it into Flow AI and generate images for all the characters this way, keeping them consistent and doing the same for the background so the entire story flows together. Now we have generated all the characters and background scenes, but the most important part is still left. For that, we will go back to Claude and simply type yes in the text box, which will give us the prompts for every scene. Now we will copy the first scene prompt and go to Flow AI. Click Select Video and select the model as Omni Flash. Then paste the prompt in the text box. Now reading through the prompts dialog, we will add the matching character image accordingly. Just click the plus icon, select the characters and click the arrow. Our video will be generating.
Where is it? Where is it?
Now we will download it. Then we will copy the next scene prompt and paste it into the text box. Whichever character has that scene and background, we will add that. Then click the arrow. This way we will keep generating video scene by scene. I had around 15 scenes, so I generated almost all of them one by one, and it cost me a total of 200 credits. You know, a free account only gives you 100 credit, which lets you barely generate 5 videos or 4 videos. So now I will show you how you can generate videos from a second account too, while still maintaining consistent characters. First, download all your character sheets one by one and background images. Then log in from a second account. Click New Project. Click the plus icon. Select all the character images and upload them. Copy the fifth prompt from Claude. Paste it into Flow AI. Then select the character images according to their names and hit generate. This way we will generate the video scene by scene for every single one. Now comes the editing part, for which we will use any editing app, since all we need to do is arrange the videos according to the story. We don't need to add any voiceover or background effects. We just need to arrange and download them. Congratulations guys, because in just a few minutes you have learned how a complete 2D animation is made. But if you want to learn how viral stickman videos are made, definitely watch my other video. You will find it right here. See you in the next one.